First step, you gotta search for Trust Wallet Community Help Center. Once you search for it, scroll a bit down until you see latest troubleshooting topics, Trust Wallet Community. Once you see it, click on it, and it's gonna bring you to this website. Now, why you want to come to this website is because all the common problem which is caused in Trust Wallet is listed over here. And they have not just listed the problem, they have also listed on how you guys can fix that problem. So let's say I'm facing the problem where it says what to do if I send crypto to a smart contract. Let's say I don't know what happens if this problem occurred. So I can just click on it and it's going to show me the solution to this problem over here. Now I can read all this, but I'm not facing the problem, so I'm not going to read it. But if you're facing it, you can read the problem. And there are some people who have replied to it as well. If you click on reply, they're going to show you replies of people as well. And let's say you want to find some other problem. You can click on this search bar looking icon and type your problem over here, and they can show you the answer to that problem as well. All right. So this is a Trust Wallet community, which is the official website of Trust Wallet. So you don't have to get worried about your information being leaked or your account being hacked. All right. Just do not give your secret recovery phrase, which is that 12-word recovery phrase, to anybody, even though if it is Trust Wallet itself asking for it, then you should be safe.